Hi, I'm Jamie, Fort Vancouver Library's experiential learning librarian. Today we're going to make face masks using household materials. Face masks, which you can make from materials around the house, are meant to protect those around you from catching your germs. All of the masks we make in these projects have at least 2 layers of fabric between your face and the outside world. Many of these designs also allow for a filter to be added for extra protection. Your household materials can be a sock, an old pair of leggings, an old t-shirt, a bandana, paper towels. There's lots and lots of different things you can use to make a simple face mask for going out in public. We're going to keep in mind whenever we're making our face mask that we want to make sure our material is wide enough that it covers our nose and our mouth. So I like to think of it as the Triforce if you're into Zelda. So I want to make sure that this area all gets covered. So my nose and both sides of my mouth, that makes up the Triforce. So when you test out masks, you want to make sure that you've got all of this area covered. For this project, all you need is a bandana and elastics. For a no-sew option, you'll need a stapler or a hot glue gun. For a simple sew project, you'll need needle and thread, as well as sewing pins or paper clips. There are lots of things that you can use as elastics for this project. You can use hair ties, rubber bands, just cut them in half. You can use sock cuffs, the top elastic part off of a sock. For this project, I'm using the hem I cut off of a t-shirt sleeve. So I cut the seam off of my sleeve end, and then I cut the strip in half to give me 2 loops. We want the center of our bandana. Fold the bandana in half. Crease the fold, unfold, and fold the bandana in half the opposite direction. Crease that fold. When you unfold, you should have a nice set of lines that cross in the center of the fabric. Turn the fabric so that the square is now a diamond shape. Fold the top corner down so it is halfway to the center point. Take the flat edge and fold it to the center. Repeat this process with the bottom corner. Take the corner, fold it up so it's halfway between the end and the center of the fabric. Then take the flat edge and fold it in so that it comes into the center and meets with the top fold. Fold the 2 side corners in so they meet in the middle and the fabric is a nice rectangle shape. One side edge so it meets the point from the opposite side. Fold the other edge all the way across to the opposite edge. The folded seam will be at the top of the mask. You can make this project no-sew by placing the ends of your ear loop elastics inside the folded fabric. You can then staple or hot glue the fabric in place. To create a sewn mask with pleats, take the fabric and accordion fold one edge. Paperclip or pin in place. Repeat the accordion fold on the opposite edge of the mask. If you have an iron, you can make really crisp pleats in the fabric. Add another pleat by repeating the process. I sewed the ends of my elastic to the underside of my mask. To sew the edge, pull a needle and thread through the end of the fabric, up through the accordion folds, and onto your elastic edge. Push the needle down through all of the accordion folded fabric and back out. Continue a basic straight stitch. Repeat the process to sew the other elastic onto the mask. Fluff up the pleats and you are ready to try on your mask. If you want to add an extra layer of protection, you can add a removable filter to this mask. These filters are meant for one-time use. Possible filter materials include paper towels, coffee filters, and facial tissue. To add a disposable filter to this mask, open the bottom of the mask and insert the filter. Make sure to throw the filter away before you wash your mask. You can customize the fit of your mask by adding an adjustable nose wire. There's lots of materials you can use to make a nose wire. Pipe cleaners are pretty good. I've used a lot of paper clips because they're really easy to find and the metal end bends and they're really great to shape around the nose. But I find that these plastic flexible tabs from bags, like these coffee bags, make the best nose guard. They're comfortable and flat and they're easy to shape, so it makes it really easy to use these. These are definitely my favorite. To add a nose wire to this mask, open the bottom of the mask and push the nose wire up to the top crease. Hold the wire in place while you put the mask on and shape to your nose. If you wear your mask for a while, you may notice it's uncomfortable around your ears. You can make a custom ear saver from cardboard to pull the ear loops away from your ears. Look for that video on YouTube. Have fun and keep making. We hope to see you at the library soon. Bye!